Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for subscription boxes in niche interests. Business isn't quick. So first type Squarespace. As we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started and you can see templates from here. So this is the first section. Now let's start from here. Here you can choose the topic and the type. So if you don't find the topic here, you can select all templates, and the type might be, for example, services or on online store. And you can start with these templates here, or if you wanna get started, you can build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Here you can enter your business name. Type in a business name for subscription boxes. Here you can build your home page, build your home page section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. You can do anything to make it better and looks better and attractive to pull and attract customers and people. That's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. Choose the color. You can choose any color you like from here. I'm gonna choose this. And the font, you can choose any font you like. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe other details about your website and choose the writing style, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip this. And now you can edit and customize your website homepage. So first click here, edit. The first thing here, you can change this, introduce your brand. So you can type anything here to make your site attract customers and people. You can, for example, type whatever you like. For example, welcome to our site. Welcome to our site for subscription boxes. Like this. You can change the color of this of the fonts, and also you can change the text on this label here. For example, you can type here get started. Now you can go and edit the background. You can select just simple art, and also you can select an image as a background. First delete this, add another one, select from library and go to the free image and search on subscription boxes. Like this. So here you can choose any image from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose one of these here. um, okay, I'm gonna choose this. That's it. You can also change the site title and the logo. You can type anything. If you don't like the title, you can change it. The logo image, you can upload it from library or upload it as a file. And also you can add the mobile logo image. Now you can go to the elements and change, customize this section here, the button, the social links, and the icon style. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can delete for this, add another one. So type here on the search, on the free image, anything you like. So for example, subscription boxes in niche interests. So I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you like. This is your home page. You can choose anything you like to make your site as your desire and as you like. Also here this text, you can it might be a little bigger than this. In this section you can choose just a simple art like this. Here you can change the wave intensity like this. You can change it, and the text size like this. You can do anything to make your site better and attractive. So that's it. Now we're gonna done from here, and after this instead of this image you can add, for example, a map. So if you want to change the business name and the address and the city, the state, and the country, also you can change the map style. After this, edit the section and the background. You can select just a simple art. So that's it. And the last section here, the footer section, click here, the background and simple art. That's it. Now after you're done from here, you can just save this and go to the selling section, add the product to your inventory and customize the price. And after this, add the wage you get paid. After this, choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for subscription boxes in niche interest business. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.